Angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about, well, I am gonna be reviewing a new I don't think it's new, but it's called face halo. So I'm gonna use it to take off my makeup, and basically I heard that you only have to dip it in water and you can use it to take off all your makeup. So I'm gonna do that right now and I'll get back to you guys. I'll go dip it in water and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna dip this in water right now. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna I'm gonna pack my hair up. So I'm gonna pack my hair up with this. So that looks amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna use this since I've already wet it. I'm gonna use it to take off my makeup. Wow, that was just one swipe. Guys, this is amazing. Y'all should go get this, because like that means I don't have to be using them the old white thingy. I can just use this to take off my makeup. You know what, you guys should just go get this, because this is amazing. Thank you Face Halo for sending this to me, because this is just beautiful. And look at just one swipe and all my makeup is all gone. So I love this. Okay, if you guys love this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. By the way, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.